It is the most noisy place right now. Social media, the internet, Facebook, no? Facebook lalo na, it can be quite toxic. The people are talagang naglalabas sila ng sama ng loob. And I would say whenever we use social media, it's important to protect your energy. That's why first thing in the morning, hindi talaga magandang kaagad scroll na tayo. Kasi you're absorbing other people's energy na eh, before you even take care of yours first. So, I'm victim also of social media mindless scrolling. I do that also, don't worry. It's very addicting, di ba? It's designed that way. It is designed to keep you on your phone 24/7 para hindi mo nagagawin yung kailangan mong gawin para sa sarili mo. Because, sorry, they like it when they can control us more. They like it when we are not able to think for ourselves and we just keep following what everyone around us is doing. So what I would say is, make sure that even while you're using social media, you know who you are. That's why it's important to take time every day to get to know yourself. And I've been doing this meditation since 2019, 2020. And I would say, keep connecting to yourself every day. Because knowing yourself on a deeper level, it won't happen overnight. Do it na now. And then by the end of the year, we have 6 more months but before this year ends. By the end of the year, I will have to say, mas kilala mo na yung sarili mo. That's why even if mag-scroll ka sa social media, hindi ka na ganun ka naiinggit. Hindi ka na ganun ka nai-insecure. Kasi sigurado ka na eh kung sino ka. You know yourself. And the more you work on yourself, the more you will see your own worth. So social media is designed to compare. Mako-compare. And it's easy to get jealous. It's easy to feel envious. Bakit siya nandun na? Ako nandito pa. But in your healing journey, in spirituality, everyone has their own path. Everyone has their unique purpose. That's why social media, if alam mong insecure ka, huwag mo munang tignan. If you're in an insecure place right now, huwag ka munang tumingin. But if you know you're feeling good, sige, tingin. And one practice that I do, I practice being happy for others. May taong nakapagpagawa na ng bahay, masaya ako para sa kanila. Kasi